Hi friends, I just wanted to create a new video. Yesterday I couldn't make a video. Uh, so as you can see right now, market, I'll just remove all this. In morning it has been quite sideways, but it's quite bearish as well. You can see here right now. What I feel is market might pull up, considering it's making this kind of a build up here, making a base kind of thing here. If you can see here, market would have fallen by now. It would have, because already it's like 1 o'clock. At least would have come till S1 or S2 levels, but market I feel so because it is expecting this move. Market is holding this move. So what we can expect right now is, I'll just mark this level. Uh, if you can see, market came down. Okay, if you see, we can consider this as a break of structure, this particular zone. So whenever break of structure happens, so ideally this is the break of structure, but yeah, if you consider this as a pullback and a break of structure, so this particular last down move you can see as a pullback. You can consider this as a pullback in this rally, like this. So what I expect is, so market has now come back to the pullback zone again. Next, if the bullish trend has to continue, market must go up from here, like this, and break this as well as close above this. Anyways, okay, let us target this area. So what I felt is like, why this zone is a good zone for buy, I'll tell you. Even though risk to reward ratio is very less in this, but still I feel uh, we can expect upside in the market, at least for 1 or 2 days, since it has already created this high. I don't think so this panic selling will continue, considering this build up. What we can see here, it's a base build up here. So what is the strategy now? So as you can see, already this build up has happened. uh, so what I can see right now, I'll just refer this. If you consider, I'll just plot this Wyckoff, what we see generally. What I expect is market to take out this and create a strong momentum like this, and then a pullback, and then this. This is actually perfect setup of Wyckoff setup. Market is trying to make this base. So what now? This one is there has to be a spring action where market will take out all this liquidity. So it will try to come down. Even this liquidity is a liquidity point here, 45,000. It'll test that. It'll take out that as well. Might be it can even touch. You can see somewhere. Yeah, somewhere around. See, it depends. Like what is the liquidity we have? It can come and test somewhere on this zone. Say suppose 50% of this zone, 45,000. Just keep this stop loss. Suppose market comes here, just here and forms a green candle goes above. You can enter here. It's an aggressive entry, and you can have this 45,000 as a stop loss. So 50, around 50, 60 points you can have as stop loss. This zone what you are seeing, 100 points, very big range. So at least market let it come till here. Let it come till here, because I don't think so market will go straightly like that, because already it has given a momentum up to the upside yesterday. So it will wait and go if it has to go. So this is the trade we can take right now. What I feel. Uh, this is, I don't think so. Considering this already, it's like 115, 120. Market might do this. It may dance here till 3 o'clock. And tomorrow, maybe this up move we can expect from the market. Let us see. So this is the best setup because if the it moves, premium would have suppose 45,000 to 45,600. If this happens early in the morning only, high chances tomorrow morning only. If it happens, no use actually. This if it happens because premium will be very high. If it happens post 2 o'clock or 1:30 2 o'clock, then there's a high chance that you can capture this momentum. 600 points. Even the premium will go like that only. 500, 600 points because premium would be very cheap that time tomorrow. So expect this. See, we can expect that we can know the direction of the market. We can predict the direction. We can predict from where we can take stop loss. But we don't know when market will go there. Problem is that see, trading with the options, the biggest disadvantage is this only premium decay. So if you are a person who is doing option selling, see, suppose if you have sold 45,000 put options, okay, somewhere near 45,000, when it comes to 45,000 or yesterday, suppose if you want to sell it tomorrow, you can sell it by after 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Even if you do that, 44, you will not get anything because premium would be around 20, 10 rupees, 20 rupees. You will not get anything. Suppose you want to buy put options. What if market already moves in the morning session? That is the problem. So option buying and option selling both have its own. What we can plan is like if you are in the futures segment or if you're planning for monthly expiry contracts, this can happen. If this happens, you'll get a good move, both in option buying as well as selling because monthly options premiums are quite high. So if you sell the option monthly options at this range, put options, you get a good decay. Say 400, 500 points, it will decay. Suppose uh, it'll be premiums will be huge. High chance market can do this. So be aware. So this is my prediction for tomorrow. Today, I think since there's already the first half is done, almost we are another 2 hours left. Let us see if market does this today only. Second half, high chances market might even go further higher tomorrow. It can go even further up, like somewhere around 46,000 as well. We don't. Market can go even 40, touch 46,000 because if you consider Fibonacci ratio of this correction, it can go and touch 46,000 easily. First target. But yeah, let's do because tomorrow if it touches this level today or anywhere near this level, tomorrow it will be a big gap up and somewhere again it will do sideways here. Tomorrow will be an option seller's day. Tomorrow will not get any move since already you got the move today. It all depends how the markets are uh, operators are playing basically because considering the volume is already dried down today and we don't have any trade. Because since already we had a lot of trades yesterday, day before yesterday, all these days, I don't think the market will might move today. We don't know like what is their strategy. Anyway, so this is my view on upside. So generally, so this is a setup which everyone will see because there is a build up of candles here and there's strong support it is creating. Everyone might think it might go up. Logically, that is the thing. But what if market breaks this 45,000? So market breaks this 45,000. There will be panic selling till you can say this particular zone is 2 44,660. This zone will be the next support for market. This zone. because considering this zone is not a very huge zone, hardly 100 points, it can go and test even this zone. I'm telling you, this possibility is we don't know when it will happen, but if it happens on expiry, it will be good because premiums will be cheap and people can make money. So if this happens, very good, well and good. But for that, it has to break, as I told you. This particular, as you can see, right now market already started coming down. So we don't know. See, I'll just hide the. We don't know. See, it can be an inducement as well. See, this if you see as this as an inducement, and market went up, market came down. So this can well be an inducement. Market can come here again, test and go. You don't know. So this until this 45,000 exactly 44,999 it's broken and candle starts trading. We cannot say market has turned bearish. So even when it comes down, there has to be some selling for some time. It's not like it'll sweep your liquidity and go up like this. Market even comes down here. Suppose let me if it comes down like this, it cannot go like this back. Okay, it has to survive for another 100 and 200 points like this. It has to come down or even maybe because considering how big a range is this, definitely if market has to fall, it has to fall quite a bit because around 660 650 points is the range. So even at least you can say 50 to 60% has to come down. Otherwise, you cannot say that just by doing small sweep of liquidity here somewhere, if it goes back, you cannot say it is a real breakup structure. Okay, so this is the point. So overall, let us see. Is more I'm more this one on bullish this side because already this level is created. Market will definitely test this level. Otherwise, simply don't create this level and just fall like that. This first time it has reached this level. So already this level had been reached twice. I don't expect the market uh, come and test this level again. So since the first time it is testing this level, high chances market will test and also break this or at least come to this last red candle here. What you are saying? This is my view. Let us see how it goes and what trade you could have done today. I'll just you can see. Let me put in one minute time frame. What trade you will do in this type of market where it's simply volatile and not doing anything? It's just showing that it will come down, go up, come down, go up. What do you will trade? So morning we had this strong bullish momentum. First candle was a red candle. It broke that first red candle high, and that's all. Nothing. It's in the first candle range only basically. It came back to first candle range again. It's in between that only. It is not doing anything else. Either as it has to break this candle high, this candle low, or this candle high or low. Then only we can expect. Now higher chances is that market will go up because the already created level yesterday. Let us see how it goes. We don't know. Like it's difficult to predict. Don't trust all these option chain and all that. Uh, Option sellers are not the real market makers. Market makers generally are all big institutions, and big institutions don't follow any kind of technical things and all that, but they leave behind some kind of a trail. which we can follow as a footstep. Being a smart money concept is that whenever they do that, we'll follow it. This order flow, what we are seeing here, this is a smart money thing. Market does this and goes up, comes back and goes does a pullback. The smart money concept to buy here. Other than that, we don't have any option. If you, as I told you, I mean, I wanted to create a video on this particular thing. Just let me show. So whenever there's high ups and downs in the market, like this market is falling continuously, going up, we can use this kind of this SSL hybrid as one of the indicator where you can take entries based on that. Whenever the candle breaks this candle, just a minute. So whenever the candle breaks this channel to the downside, you can see big red candles. I mean, not not like this. When it breaks with strong candles coming from the upside or downside, if you see, it came from the upside and broke this. So high chance it will break. I can get some momentum downside. Whenever the same way, when it breaks it like this upside, high chances it will go break this high. So this is one of the indicator I used to use in the earlier days. Like after that, market became a lot sideways and unpredictable. So I stopped using this indicator. But somewhere I feel this indicator is still working whenever market is in a trending state. So let us see. Like right now, it is saying this indicator is saying it can market can go up. It has to form a higher high. As you can see, it is still in this range. If it forms, if it break this range and goes up and gives a pullback, then you can expect market to go up. So the problem with this indicator, another problem is it also gives you false signals. Market broke this, it gave a small, again it went back. So it's difficult to predict. Again, market broke this, you can see from the low, went up. If someone had entered here, they would have captured close to. See, this is the red candle. I mean, I don't advise anyone to go, but anyways, this pullback actually failed. So if you consider this as a this one, this pullback failed. So we can say this is not an entry, but somewhere here you could have entered. You can see here, market came from upside, broke this, and candle closed. Small green candles were there. So you could have taken entry in one of these candles, and next candle came as red. So you could have kept this as a stop loss and traded. I got good points here. So that's what market. If it's trending, definitely you'll get this trending market once in at least 2 or 3 days once. So this we can expect. Let us see. So as usual, market. I mean, if you want to trade this also, there's a liquidity sweep. I don't think so. Single candle mitigation is also working here. Um, let us see. Market, as I told you, it is trying to form that liquidity, that wake off concept. What I told you, strong wake off concept. Basically, it has to test this and take out this liquidity, and somewhere from here it has to go up. Let us see. Okay, friends, thank you. That's all for today. Let us know. Let me like what is your thoughts on the video. Thank you.